gentle hum among the trees. With every step the earth we greet, the forest hums beneath our feet. Through the woods the path is clear, a song of nature we all hear. Birds are calling soft and bright, guiding us towards the light. With each note the forest sings, echoes fly on soaring wings. The trees are swaying to the sound as our hearts lift off the ground. In the forest we'll find our way, dancing where the shadows play. With every step and every cheer, the forest whispers we are here. The sun shines through a golden beam, reflecting on the nearby stream. We twirl beneath the towering pines, lost in nature's grand designs. We laugh and sing in perfect time, the forest song, a constant rhyme. Together here we feel alive, in the woods we truly thrive. In the forest we'll find our way, dancing where the shadows play. With every step and every cheer, the forest whispers we are here. The moon will rise, the stars will glow,